Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, and as you can see right in front of you, potato and okra curry. Really quite simple, healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to need for this. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to use here. So I've got some okra there, which I've just cut into that sort of size. Potatoes in that size. Tomatoes, there's like 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Try and use a really nice, ripe, juicy tomato. What I always call the big 4. So we've got equal amounts here, like a teaspoon each of coriander, cumin, turmeric, and chili powder. 1 small onion, some garlic ginger paste, some cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and maybe a little bit of water. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've got a pan here. We're going to need some sort of pot. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a corn oil today. Sunflower oil or any other kind of sort of neutral oil works. We're going to drop in those cumin seeds and we're going to get in our potatoes. And on a medium heat, we're going to cook these, give them a nice head start for about 3 to 4 minutes. And there you go, these potatoes are still really quite hard, but they're on their way. I've used raw potatoes. If you wanted, you could use parboiled potatoes to speed up the process. Next up, we're going to drop in that chopped onion and our garlic ginger paste, like a tablespoon there. And I didn't show you this earlier on, but I'm going to add some fresh chili. You don't have to if you don't want. I've got these nice red ones today. And what I've done is I'm going to put them in whole, but I've just cut them, just sliced them a little bit open, as you may see there. And that's going to give them some lovely flavour. Chop them if you want, but I'm just going to go for these whole ones today. While I'm here, before I forget, let's get some salt in the mix. Medium heat, let's go for another 3 minutes. Fantastic. Now it's time to drop in our okra, in that goes. Like I said, I've just cut mine basically in half. They're not too long. Sometimes you get them really, really long. And again, another 3 or 4 minutes. Keep this moving around now. Super. I'm now going to add in those chopped tomatoes. Like I said, try and use a nice ripe tomato. And then we're going to add in those powders. Equal parts of chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. In they go. Some water. That was cold water, by the way. Lid on, medium heat. Give it a stir every now and then. Let's look in 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump inside and take a look. Let me get rid of that steam. And this has come together really nicely. Our tomatoes are starting to break down beautifully. And now, finally, at the end, going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander, a nice little pinch of garam masala powder, which is a beautiful finishing spice. Check that for salt. Off goes the heat. Give that a stir. And there you go, we've got a nice, healthy, vegetarian and vegan potato and okra curry. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.